Nastrack is a global executive search business. We focus on executive search, strategic and leadership hiring within the technology and banking industries. We are a global executive search firm, so we work across major markets from Asia right up to the USA in this field. At Nastrack, we are fanatical about quality. Our main focus is, the first and foremost, is to make sure that our clients are super happy with us, super delighted with our quality, our services, and so that helps us with client retention. We've got extremely loyal clients. We've got clients who've been working with us for 15 years now, and since the time we started, so that takes us a long way, in our business. So that's one of the very, very key differentiators. We work on a global footprint. We have offices right across from Asia to USA. So this helps us work with the same client across various locations. We are able to service the same client in multi-locations. This gives us a very, very strong edge because we are able to audit the quality. We are able to maintain the same level of quality standards and service standards across the client's multiple locations. I think the other very, very key differentiator in Nastrack is that all our senior professionals, senior consultants and directors are practitioners from the industry. They worked on the other side of the table. They've been from the client organizations, and hence they can empathize with the client's requirements. They can understand with their pain points and able to deliver the service that the client really can be happy with. Right, we've got short-term and long-term goals, and short-term is literally a daily goal. I think one of the most important goals is to make sure that every single day we get a pat on the back from the client. That our client is super happy with our service. That for us is almost a daily mantra. And I think the second short-term goal is to make sure that we create an environment within Nastrack for our people where we can enjoy, we can create autonomy. We are supercharged, super driven to do a great job and go back home very exhausted, but really satisfied because we made a difference. Long term, I think for us, for me, I've been an entrepreneur for 15 years now, and my long term goal now is to inspire more entrepreneurs to join us, to create a company which is driven by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. Yeah, that's the long term goal. It feels fantastic. It's absolutely brilliant to get endorsement from an organization which is as prestigious as Enterprise Asia. So this is a great platform for us. It means a lot to us. It also gives us the boost to do good work, continue to do the good work, inspire people around us, make a difference to the industry. And then I think also it endorses us with our clients that we are in safe hands.